We're at about a steady state now. The furnace has been running for about 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the probe in as we showed you before, about halfway into the stack. Lock it up. And we're going to wait for the readings to stabilize. Okay, as you can see, almost instantaneously, the analyzer is drawing in the readings from the stack and giving us our combustion analysis readings. So what we're going to want to do is just wait for it to stabilize. Once the numbers stop jumping around, and then we'll see where everything lies. Okay, so right now the readings have pretty much stabilized. With the analyzer set for natural gas, obviously because it's a natural gas furnace, we look and we see the oxygen, your CO, your CO2 measurements, your efficiency, and everything like that. So again, you can zoom in and out to make it easier for you to read. But right now our oxygen's at 10.8%, our CO is at 22 ppm, which is very good and low. CO2 is at 5.7, which is pretty low. Your efficiency is 80.6, so running at 80% on an 80% natural gas fired furnace. Scroll down and it also gives you my percentage of losses, so it calculates based on your efficiency what your losses are. My flue temperature at 357, my ambient temperature is 71 degrees because that's my primary air coming into the furnace. If this was a condensing unit, we'd have to have the jacket on the furnace itself or on the boiler or anything like that because it's sealed combustion. This obviously is not. So it gives us a delta T or differential temperature of 287 degrees, which actually goes into your efficiency calculation. My excess air is 107%. I know that to be a fact because our oxygen is 10.8%, so I have a lot of air in there. So I might not have enough fuel actually going in or enough natural gas coming in. So I might need to make some adjustments here to get a little more fuel in there because my oxygen is about 10.8 and my CO2 is 5.7. So usually you want to see the oxygen somewhere in that 3 to 6%. The other thing that the analyzer gives you is obviously your CO air free. So I have my CO direct and my CO air free measurement.